Hello everyone, I'm just coming here online to make this quick video recording to let you know that it's true. I'm opening up the Discord access for free. So if you've ever wanted to join, but you found that the fees were too expensive, we're making a change and letting you join for free. The link is in the description below. It's also in different areas of the channel, and I also posted it in our post channel. If you have a free account at the Crown Trading, you'll see that I posted it in the general feed, and you may find a couple of other people sharing the link online as well. So when you come in, you're going to arrive here at this welcome link here, and it just says, welcome. If you can't see the other channels, let me see if I can make this bigger. So that, well, too big. All right, anyway, but the point though is that it says, if you cannot see any other channels, please do not panic, just be patient. I have to manually activate each one of your profiles on the server manually for you to see the channels that we have here on the left and more. If you joined the server while I was away from the office, please feel free to just message me on the next channel, request access, and once I get back to the office, we'll activate your ability to see all the server channels. So this is done on purpose so that we can kind of pre-screen. Previously, if anyone paid for membership, I had to manually screen them and then grant them access to the server. So at this time, we're bypassing everyone. So when you come into the server, I just have to come to the computer, click on your profile, add the role of a certain role, and boom. You will be able to see all of the channels, come into the live trading room, chat with me. You know, you'll have access to whatever I share to my community, which is like the templates or, information. So we do live hangouts after the futures closes at the end of the day when I do a stream. So when you come in here, if you see no channels on the left, don't panic. You'll see at least maybe these two with that information. And then once I activate you, you'll see all of a sudden all of these other channels populate. It's a manual process, not automated at this time. So we'll fix that in the near future. But yes, it's now Discord access for free. All right. Come on in, join us, trade with us. I usually go live about in 30 minutes to an hour after market opens, sometimes 2 hours after. And I stream for the rest of the day, most days. Okay. So looking forward to seeing you all in here. Take care.